How to change Steam username. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, head to your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Steam. Now open up the first website in new group, switch to the group and log into your ID. Now tap on the three dots and enable desktop site. Now zoom your screen and tap on the three lines. Now tap on your profile. Now click on edit profile. Now under profile name, you can edit your name. Now tap on save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.